Ooh. I can't believe you drove that many kilometers on this thing.
That's how we roll.
400?
420, 684.
Oh, of course it's 420, eh?
Oh, that's how we roll.
Bust him. Holy fuck. That was busting, dog. You were going hard, though. Sweat, bro? Dude, yeah, 261. 261. Fuck. Good run, he kept up a little. Oh. Good run. Good run. Bussin'. Bussin'.
Wait. So quick. I thought
Dude.
we were doing a pull, but I guess I just left you in the dust.
Fucking cooking. No, that was bussin', dog. That was bussin'. Fucking exhaust sound on this. Woo. Alright.
She's fucking perky.
Yeah. You put 91 in this baby?
94!
90. Oh, yeah,
94!
man.
I put regular in my car one time and it's just fucking just shit. I was like, oh my god, what did I do to my car?
Yeah.
And a lot of people don't think that this has got the srt8, right?
Yeah.
They pull up beside me and like, puh, what's that got? It's like, I'll show you.
I'll show you, bucko.
I'll
Yeah.
show you.